Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get access to clients' Facebook ad account. Firstly, go to business.facebook.com and log in. On the left hand side, click the gear icon labeled Business Settings. In the sidebar, click People under the Users section, then click the blue Add button. Provide your client with your business email address that you want them to use. They should pass that email and choose the access level like admin access or employee access. Now, after clicking Next, they will be asked to assign assets like Facebook pages or ad accounts. Now, click Invite to send the invitation. You'll receive the invite via email. Just accept it. If you want to access your client's assets like pages or ad accounts, it's best to request access. Never try to add them under your own account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.